Hello friends, Juthai Lugurau. Now learn Dimasa to English short sentences. Let's begin how to speak in Dimasa. Ning school thangdu. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Bo makam jima. Will he eat rice? Will he eat rice? Bunsi baiba. Are they dancing? Are they dancing? Neni kolom sumbo. Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Ning bakali phaiba. When have you come? When have you come? Ang ebonolake jajaudu. I like this village. I like this village. Ning school thangena. Don't you go to school? Don't you go to school? Bo makam jiane. Will not he eat rice? Will not he eat rice? Punchi baiya kane. Are not they dancing? Are not they dancing? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And I hope that you like today in this video. Practice it, keep learning, and very soon you will learn speak very good Dimasa. I will meet you in my next video.